All right, today I'm going to be sharing with you a learning program called Front Row. Front Row is an app that can be accessed from a computer or it can be accessed from an iPad if you download the app. And it's an app that my second grade students use almost daily. So to start, I'm going to show you how the students would log in. So when you create a teacher account, you're given a particular class code, which you can see right here is our class code, and the students have to type in their first and last name. So when they have that completed, then they can log in. And this is the screen that appears when they log in. As you can see, Front Row has access and resources for math, ELA, and then students can access their assignments as well. From the teacher viewpoint, they also have added science and social studies activities, and they have different learning tasks, different articles that align with some of the different standards for each particular grade. When you take a look at the main screen, you see the total number of coins. So what happens is, depending on the subject or the activity, students, for each question they answer correctly, they can earn coins, so on and so forth. So these are some of the most basic skills that they can work on: number facts, so fluency with their math facts, word study and vocabulary, decoding words, and sight words. Depending on your purpose for the day, they can work on some of these for rotations. My kids have done them as fast finish work that they can just continue to review those skills. In my classroom, however, we specifically focus on using Front Row with math. So the math portion has what's called an adaptive practice feature that is very helpful to the students. And adaptive practice means that depending on the skill level that your students are at, they create problems and work with different questions based on that skill level. So if you have a second grade student who is very advanced, they're going to give them problems to work on that are third, fourth, fifth grade level problems rather than just keeping them on the same grade level. So when they click on the math, what comes up are the different domains. So you have measurement and data, geometry, base 10, operations and algebraic thinking, financial literacy, which obviously second grade students don't usually work on, counting and cardinality, fractions, and then the basic fact practice. And when you look at this particular student's progress so far, you can see the different levels that she's on. Obviously, level 1 would be kindergarten. So this particular student, it gives her a suggested area of growth, which is measurement and data. So when she clicks on that, she can work on the current level she's on. She clicks practice, and then it gives her a question. You can type the answers. It does a lot of different features that she can use to help her solve, and each question's worth 1 point that she can earn toward her coins. So as you can see, it gives you the level overall, the questions answered, and then on the teacher's end, they can also get a report. So this is just an easy app that you can use in your classroom to work with your students.